Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using 4 of these arched picture frames from Dollar Tree. I remove the little clip from the front and the stand from the backs of each of them. I then take spackling and fill in the holes on the front where those clips were. I dry that with my heat tool and then sand those down till they're smooth. And then paint them all completely with a Plaster color chalk paint, and that's by Waverly, and I give them full coverage. Once those are completely dry, I take 2 tumbling blocks and glue them end to end with hot glue. I then add hot glue to the 2 blocks and place them on the back side of the arch, flush with the bottom. I give those blocks each 1 coat of the Plaster chalk paint as well. And then place one of the arches down on my desk, add hot glue to the edge of another, making sure the tumbling blocks will be on the inside, and I hot glue those together, making sure the edges are even. Add hot glue to the edge of another, place that down on the one on the bottom, and then I had hot glue to the edges of the 2 that are standing upright and place that 4th one down on there. I then take some craft sticks and I line them up on the bottom to see how many I need. I end up needing 5 of these. I trim it down with Fisker shears, those I get from Amazon, so it'll fit in the inside. And I trim them all up and then hot glue them down onto those blocks I had glued down. There's a little bit of spacing in between each of them so they fit. And I should have painted the sticks before, but I went ahead and painted them after they were glued into place, just giving them 1 quick coat of that Plaster chalk paint. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.